Hello everyone, my friends. Today we will talk about how success can be achieved in just a couple of clicks. You heard it right. In the modern world, where technology increasingly affects our lives, earning and success have become much more accessible. What used to seem like a long and complicated process can now be done with just a few taps on the screen of a phone or computer. But let's be clear from the start. This is not about success coming on its own or by your fate. With just a few clicks, the right decisions, strategy and discipline are at your fingertips. However, with the tools available to you now, the path to success has truly become easier than many think. Today, I will tell you how to properly utilize these opportunities. And now let's move on to the charts and take a look at our market movements. The market has been too sluggish for the past couple of days, and trading on it is not particularly interesting. Nevertheless, trading situations arise and one can start to work on them. I see the currency pair EUR-USD, and on the EUR-USD we have good levels and a slight vocal impulse rise. We will use this going forward. Also on the dollar, the Japanese yen has a good downward trend with classic corrections. The corrections are slightly prolonged, but we will just keep this in mind. Additionally, there is a small level at the bottom that has already been tested before, so we have two currency pairs and the price has risen very impulsively on the euro-dollar. So we won't think for long and we are opening our position for $400 already on the decline. And the first thing I want to talk about is the financial markets. Trading in binary options is simply one of the tools that allows almost anyone with internet access to generate money. All that is needed is a trading platform and basic knowledge. You can literally open a trade with just a couple of clicks, just like I did, and get results within a few minutes. It doesn't require complex equipment or years of training. With modern platforms, trading becomes accessible to everyone. If you want to learn trading or have any questions, you can always message me directly, and I will tell you everything and show you. Also, don't forget about my Telegram channel, where trading sessions take place and where we earn really good money, just like we are doing now with the dollar and euro-dollar. But since we have two currency pairs, it is worth periodically reviewing them to see what is happening here. It is definitely worth adding the dollar-Japanese yen to our terminal to understand the movement here on a more precise chart, as Pocket Option provides you with a 5-second time frame, which is very convenient. The price is falling and we are accordingly opening a position for a decline. Let's consider an example. You register with a broker, choose an asset such as the euro-dollar currency pair or a cryptocurrency. Next, you make a prediction whether the price will go up or down within a certain period. All you need to do is 2 clicks. One for choosing the direction, the other for opening the trade. It really is that simple. But behind these actions lies an important point: the correct analysis and understanding of what you are doing. This is where the secret to success lies, in just a few clicks. Successful trading begins with proper analysis. This can be news analysis, the use of technical indicators, or simply understanding market trends. All of this is accessible and does not require extensive knowledge. Even the most basic tools such as support and resistance levels or trend lines will help you make the right decisions. And the best part is that all of this can be done in just a few minutes without even leaving your home. Many people think that to succeed in the market, you need to be an economics guru or constantly monitor charts. But this is actually successful trading. It's not so much about knowledge as it is about discipline. The simplest example, you opened a position for an increase like I am doing now because you saw an upward trend. And literally, within a couple of minutes, I made a profit, just a couple of clicks and you are already earning. Of course, this does not mean that it will always be easy and straightforward, but the basic principles of trading are quite clear and accessible. And we are closing our position in profit. Of course, it wasn't without some chasing, because the sharp impulse slightly spoiled the whole picture. But, as we always know, after an impulse there is always a correction. The same happens with the euro-dollar. Therefore, we reduce the volume and open a position for a decline again. But let's not forget about other opportunities that the internet offers us. Besides trading on financial markets, there are numerous platforms and services where you can earn money with just a couple of clicks. For example, in a freelance exchange, where you can sell your services, whether it's writing, graphic design or programming, such as It's also simple here. You create an account and offer your services, find clients, and there you are already earning. The entire process from registration to task completion can literally take just a few minutes. But as you can understand, there you are working for someone else, while in trading you are working entirely for yourself. And another interesting tool is, of course, investments. Once you are definitely able to earn from trading in binary options, you will inevitably have additional funds and you will need to invest them somewhere. Investments have always been a fairly profitable tool, but a good capital is needed to start. Now, let's discuss what unites all these opportunities. The answer is very simple. It is accessibility and speed. In the past, achieving success required many years of work and learning. Today, thanks to the internet, you can discover a multitude of new opportunities in just a few minutes. The key here is to take action. Success does not come by itself, indeed it gets closer with each new step you take. The key to success in just a few clicks is making the right decisions. You can open a position, make an investment, or take an order on a freelance exchange, but you need to choose the right direction for that. To achieve this, it is important to study the market, keep an eye on the news, use available tools, and not be afraid to try something new. Another secret to success is continuous learning and development. Even if you have already mastered basic strategies or found a way to earn, you should always strive to go further. Take advantage of the opportunities that the internet offers you, such as training courses, books, and video lessons. The more you know, the more confidently you will make decisions. Of course, one must not forget about the risks. Success and failure can be just a few clicks away. Therefore, it is important to manage your risks properly. Never invest all your money in one deal or project. Start small, develop your skills, and gradually increase your capital. This will allow you to minimize risks and avoid losing everything due to a single mistake. Because you will make mistakes in absolutely any situation. Mistakes are your learning process. However, it is important to learn correctly and preferably to learn from your mistakes. In this case, we are still working on the euro-dollar and the price here is showing sideways movement with a slight decline downwards. As you can see, there are impulses in both directions, both upward and downward. After the price had impulsively risen, we always opened a position for a downward movement and were almost always in profit. When the price updated the minimum, we opened a position for an upward movement and the price bounced back. And even right now, we opened our position for a downward movement only after the price had impulsively dropped. Similarly, the price has fallen down again. You might say that it is all rigged, but in reality, it is indeed just how the market reads. The market is exactly what you should study. And of course, you can achieve success in this challenging endeavor. You just need to start, and we need to begin this much earlier than you think. Even now, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. And if you want to learn more about trading, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. And don't forget, we always have trading sessions where you can simply earn. Additionally, anyone who leaves a comment randomly will be chosen as the winner of the contest and will be able to take home some money. And finally, success has indeed become more accessible. We live in a unique time when it is possible to earn money using just a few tools and a little knowledge. But the most important thing is the desire to take action. Many people miss their opportunities simply because they are afraid to take the first step. But you can become successful if you start today. Your tools for earning are not a dream, they are a reality. All you need to do is take action and gradually move forward. Subscribe to the channel, ask questions in the comments, and remember that the secret to success is already in your hands. It only takes a couple of clicks. Goodbye.